The S-400 remains one of the most widely deployed and battle-proven long-range air defense systems in the world. Capable of engaging aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and drones, it offers exceptional flexibility. With a maximum range of up to 400 kilometers and a layered missile approach, the S-400 is adaptable to multiple threat environments.
The possibilities the S-400 offers are colossal. It can track up to 300 targets and simultaneously engage 36.
Its ability to integrate with existing air defense networks and operate in dense electronic warfare conditions has made it attractive to several countries beyond Russia. Even in 2026, despite newer systems emerging, the S-400 continues to be a benchmark for long-range air defense reliability and multi-target engagement capacity. The S-400 system is capable of carrying 4 to 16 missiles depending on the missile variants fielded. A battalion of the S-400 includes a command and control vehicle, engagement and acquisition radar vehicles, and 8 launch vehicles with a total of 32 to 128 missiles. The acquisition radar of the S-400 is a modified version of the same Big Bird radar used by the S-300 system, but has a detection range of 600 kilometers. The S-400 system is believed to be able to engage up 36 targets simultaneously. The S-400 began development in the 1990s and was first deployed in 2007. The system uses 4 different types of interceptors to destroy various airborne targets and also has the capability to use some S-300 legacy missiles. The first interceptor is the 48N6E3, a modified version of the 48N6E2 that is used in the S-300P systems and has a range of 250 kilometers. The second is the 40N6, which has the longest range at 400 kilometers. It is believed the 48N6E3 and 40N6 are used primarily to target stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, and drone. The third is the 9M96E, which has a range of 40 kilometers and a max altitude of 20 kilometers. The fourth is the 9M96E2, which has a range of 120 kilometers and a max altitude of 30 kilometers. The 9M96E and 9M96E2 are believed to target medium-range ballistic missiles at a range of 60 kilometers, but also aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones. While the 9M96E and 9M96E2 missiles are also smaller, allowing 4 to fit into one S-400 missile container. Therefore, one erector launcher vehicle for the S-400 system is capable of carrying 4 to 16 missiles depending on the missile variants fielded. The S-400's mission set and capabilities are roughly comparable to the US Patriot system. Unlike some Patriot interceptors today, however, the S-400 does not currently employ hit-to-kill ballistic missile defense technology. In addition to being deployed by Russian forces, the S-400 has also been exported to other countries. In 2015, China signed an agreement with Russia to purchase 6 battalions of the system. In 2016, India likewise contracted to purchase 5 battalions.
S-400 is an excellent weapon. It's an upgrade of the legendary S-300. We have 3 different missiles in the S-400 system: short, medium and long range, and depending on the target and the distance, different missiles are deployed. The system is successful, and consequently it's in great demand on the weapons market.
Now they have started something that they don't know how to stop.